Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable always required password on iPhone. So guys, if you want to enable always required password on iPhone, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Tap on the settings app, tap on the Apple ID, tap on view media and purchases, tap on password settings. You can see appears on screen when purchasing free downloads. Tap on required password on free downloads. Tap on done. Again tap on media and purchases. Tap on password settings. You can see appears on screen enable the required password. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to enable required password, always required password in Apple ID. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.